Everybody, this is me and JoJo, and you guys, I wanted to show you guys something. Hopefully you guys can see it, but excuse this right here. That's JoJo's stuff. If you look all around here where he kicks it out the cage, okay, let me put him up there. Hey man, hopefully he don't fall off. Look, I wanted to show you all this. Come on, man, you gotta stay up here. I don't want you to fall. You guys see these right here? I don't know if anybody ever seen it so far. Okay? Okay, you guys see the desk? Okay, you see him? D. Y'all remember D? This is him when he came home from the hospital. Okay? And Lil Quinn, this is him right here. Yeah, all of them are on here. I had this done in 2011 on, let's just pray. Y'all pray that JoJo don't fall off the desk. I thought about, wow, I wish I would have had him up there. I wish I would have had JoJo up there at that time. But anyway, every last one of them are on this desk. And a couple of them I don't have the up-to-date pictures, but I want to show you all how you can do stuff with your imagination and all. And this desk is really done in good paint. It's been sitting in storage, but all you have to do is wipe it off. Yeah. Y'all see that guinea pig running around? Sure wish I could get his footprints. Thinking about doing his footprints like that. But anyway, this is a keepsake. I really want to save this for the rest of my life. And I want my son to carry on. And his Naya, my granddaughter, here she is right here. And let me see, where did she go? Oh, Anaya. And when she did her things, JoJo, why are you eating on that? She wrote a little picture right here. She wasn't that old. She couldn't hardly draw. And she tried to make a lady with some hair on here. But guess what? It's memory, it's touching, and it's beautiful. You know, it's the small things in life that really means a whole lot. It really is. And I really appreciate my friend who done this desk for me. And if you guys ever notice, I really like colorful stuff. It has to stick out. I don't know why. I don't like gloomy stuff. I like stuff to be brightened up. Because I just seen this a minute ago, and I was like, okay, this is fall. It's not as gloomy. It's not as awakening as my spring flowers are over there on the table. So, you all, I want to bring that to you all. Let me let you all get a better look. Hold on a minute. Even though you see JoJo around there, walking around. Look at JoJo right there. Yeah. Check this out. JoJo's cage. This is what he kicks out. So I got to get a vacuum and vacuum all that up. So this desk is really beautiful. And everybody did their autograph. And like I say with D, we waited on him to be born to get his footprints. We had to wait for him to be born to get his footprints. Look at this here guinea pig. Look at the guinea pig right there. JoJo, where did you pull out? See the spring stuff on the... I find little things, even though that box is not as colorful, but it serves the purpose right there for now. JoJo, don't pull the tab off. Don't pull the tab off, man. Don't pull it off. Y'all, here's some Easter. Here's an Easter bucket. I wonder would that look better up there. That looks a little bit better up there than this or this. How do you think that look? This or that? Let me see. Let me stand back and see. There's the bucket. There's JoJo eating on my stuff. There's the bucket. Or this. This. Fall flowers on the desk. Yeah. Or this. Let's see. Take this away and put that rabbit. Haha, the rabbit, the guinea pig. JoJo. JoJo, don't eat on that, man, please. The guinea pig. Or maybe, how would that look? Right there. That's a little bit too much going on over there now, you think? Let's see. See? That. That. JoJo. That's the, kind of like the whole desk, if you can see it. I don't think I like this right here. You guys like these? Yeah, I'll change it around later. But every last one of the grandchildren are on this desk. So you all keep an eye on JoJo for me. I'll be right back with his treat, his food. Here's JoJo's food, and for his cage, he's about out of food. When you make that sound, he looks for it. He looks for his treats. These little dollar things I got for to fill up all his little goodies. And I had to put that in there, in his cage. I just cleaned his cage out a couple days ago. Now it's time to clean it out again, because I don't like it really being dirty. But here's the corporate. JoJo. He smells his food. Fidget spinner. The guinea pig is playing with the fidget spinner. You all. JoJo is up here and with the fidget spinner. And almost sound like a rabbit up there, you think? But isn't that a beautiful desk? With all my grandkids on there. That seemed almost like a rat. Well, I'm gonna get JoJo, put him inside his cage, cause he smells his food. He really do. He smells his food. I know he do. His real food. I don't like this box down here. My grandkids did that. Now I have to take it and move it. I do not like storage. I do not like storage. I don't like stuff down there in my storage. There we go. You all. He smells his food. So, there he is. He's right there. Here's JoJo. You all. Here's him some more partially. That's going bad. I better give it to him now, because if it go limp, JoJo do not eat limp stuff. But I just picked it up today. Look, a little thin carrot. Look how small this carrot is. A little small carrot for my guinea pig, JoJo. Here you go, man. He's trying to take his food down. I'm trying to so he won't. If he take it down, I'm not gonna be able to take pictures of him. Okay. Now he'll come back up there. He'll jump. There he goes. His hay. His carrots. You all, on the, you like? I think I bought these at Walmart for like 50 cents after Easter. Look, still got the grass in there. And this is the other one. Now this one is really beautiful. You think it even matches JoJo. it even looks good with JoJo. Hey, 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 hey. Which one do you like? This one? This one? Or the middle one, JoJo? This one? This one? Y'all don't forget, subscribe. I really need you all to subscribe to this channel with me and JoJo. See my little happy face? There he is. There he goes. We do videos every day. I'm trying to get all the videos up at 7 o'clock in the morning. That's what I want to do, is get them all up at 7 o'clock in the morning. And as you guys notice, JoJo do not have a cubby hole. And the reason he doesn't, when I put it in there now, he tilts it. It's in his way. He don't like it. He don't even like to get up under it. I guess if it was, if I had to use it, I would put it in there. But now that it's just me and him, it's just two people in my house. Oh yeah, you guys, let me see, can you guys see glow? Can you guys see glow? There's glow. There's glow right here. And I need to feed glow. I use glow food for glow. So, fed my fish. You guys remind me to feed glow, because sometimes I forget. I thought about doing fish vacation food for glow. So if I forget, I think it's, I don't know. I can't. Glow is a girl, because she's pink. Excuse me, y'all. But there's glow. There's JoJo. Y'all, I still got a little bit of cough. JoJo. Glow. JoJo. 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 Glow. JoJo. Glow. In the children's desk, as I showed you. And their names are all on here, under their footprints or their handprints. Excuse me, y'all. And this is the way he does his cage, with the white plush. Excuse me, y'all. I got a cough that just won't stop. think I did that. I think I did. Yeah, I did. All right. This came from a place that sells used furniture. Because this is really good wood. I think I paid $15 for the desk. Please excuse what JoJo have done. I got hay. Seems like I got a horse in this house. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, JoJo. Doesn't take partially very long to whiz. I guess because Walmart keeps water on it, I guess. It was just standing up not too long ago. Looked like a beautiful tree. Oh, is he dead? He's dead. My JoJo, the parsley is swiveling. Thank you, man, for eating it for me. You really want to pull it off and pull it up under there. There he is. He has pulled it up under there. Practically. Okay, you all, we will talk to you later. I was trying to get this back up. It's glow right there. But try to get you all to see both of them before I glow. Well, I guess I can't do it, but there's JoJo right there. And I'm gonna go. One thing, I need to pick up all of this stuff. Oh, this is pretty easy. I was gonna throw it back in there, but I decided nope, because then I have to clean it right now, because I'm not gonna be able to stand it. I can't stand it right now either. Can you say bye? Okay, we're gonna go. Let his cage down. And we're gonna go. And we'll holler at you later. I can do all things through Christ whom strengthens me. And me and JoJo and Glow will talk to you later.